Hello everyone, on this episode I'll show you the powertrain and the final details of the kart cross. So let's start with the engine. The choice was a Honda CBR 600 F3. It produces around 100 horsepower, and now I'll show you some clips of the first testing of the engine. So let's check how we assembled the powertrain. The first step was to install the engine mounts and weld this in place to the chassis. After that we installed the sprocket in the rear and we put the chain together. We added the radiator and some supports, as well as the battery and the seat, to see if everything was fitting together. We put the wheels in the air and started spinning them to see if everything was working as expected. Since everything looked right, it was time to disassemble everything, do the surface treatment, and painting all the parts. We choose to paint the wheels and the suspension in gold and the chassis in blue. Make sure to use multiple layers of paint to protect from rocks and rust. After all the parts were dry, it was time to reassemble everything together. We started by doing this aluminum floor to protect the driver, and after that installed the steering, suspension, and powertrain. Here we have the fuel tank with a capacity of around 15 liters, and this is the pedal box. Both parts were custom made, just like this exhaust that we built. And here we have the final result. Overall we were very happy with this project, even though it took almost 1 year to build, but it was worth it. The last step was just adding these aluminum body parts. On the next and final episode we'll be driving the kart cross. We have some good clips to show you, so stay tuned and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.